Hi, my name is Antonio Zamora with A&J Vineyard Supply. Today I'm going to show you how to install a crossarm on a rolled edge line post. A few things that we're going to need is a 7/16 socket, the U-bolt, its flange nuts, and the crossarm. So first step is decide what notch pattern we're going to use on the crossarm. So if we're going to use the slots or the T-bites, either way, we just flip it around. Simple. From here, we're going to take the U-bolt, come around, and put it through the slots, just like this. From here, we're going to take the flange nuts and put them on to our U-bolt, like this. We do the same thing on the opposite end. Okay. And then just to tighten them up, we're going to take the socket, do the same. There you go. And that's how you install a crossarm on a rolled edge line post.